Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to filter data in Google Sheets without affecting other users. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time on Google Sheets, I want you to clear the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Filtering data in Google Sheets allows you to view specific subsets of data without permanently altering the original dataset, because each user can apply filters based on their specific analysis needs without altering the view for others. And of course, it allows individuals or collaborators or multiple freelancers working on a single project to focus on relevant subsets of data tailored to their tasks or preferences. Now, once you are on your worksheet, now I want you to hover to the top corner where you can see the filter views. Click on it and click on the plus create filter view. All right, now here, now once you've done that, you see it says temporary filter. All right, now once you're here, obviously the filters provide temporary views of data subsets based on this specific criteria, and users now can adjust or remove filters as needed to explore different perspectives without affecting how others view the data. And from here, of course, each of the users will not affect, but instead supports the personalized analysis and of course work effectively with the shared data while respecting individual collaborations and privacy considerations. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.